We got a lot of tomatoes growing, but even before they ripen, you can use these green tomatoes to make excellent recipes. So one of my favorite is chutney. Since the tomatoes are raw, they are nice and sour, perfect for chutney. Not only in Indian cuisine, in a lot of other cuisines, they love to use green tomatoes, especially in the Mexican cuisines, we love that green salsa. Just cut the unripe tomatoes, they are sour and they make excellent chutney. Juicy. Now, add some oil in a pot, add raw peanuts and let them sizzle for like 2 minutes. That's when the raw flavor goes away and the peanuts get that sweet flavor. Only when the peanut starts crackling, add green chili. The more spicier, the tastier this chutney gets. Nice aroma from the frying chili. In this, add the green tomatoes. Do not add any water. Let the juices from this green tomato come out and let it cook till the tomatoes are nice and soft. Put the lid on and let it cook for a few minutes. Once the tomato is kind of mashy, in this add salt. You can add little later. And also add freshly cut coriander leaf. Let it cook for another 30 seconds and put it in a blender. Usually whenever I am making chutneys with peanuts, I like to fry the peanuts and keep it on the side, cook other ingredients, and when I am blending it, that's when I add the peanuts. But here I am going to add some chana dal, some urad dal for the tempering. So I just let it cook. The aroma is already good. So let's switch off the flame. You can put in a ding chick or else put in a blender and make it into a coarse paste or fine paste, whichever way you want. Once you blend it, we are going to temper it. The tempering is a great flavor enhancer. In this, add mustard seeds. When they crackle, add red chili, some cumin seeds, and in this, add some chana dal, some urad dal. In this, add turmeric, hing, and the blended chutney. You want to add, you can add some curry leaves also. Nice. We have a lot of green tomatoes, and throughout the year we will be growing tomatoes. So if you have any favorite green tomato recipes, please share with us because we got so much of tomatoes here. The green chutney. You can also make it coarsely. This reminds me of guacamole, the avocado kind of chutney, and along with rice. If you want, you can also add a little bit of ghee, especially when you are in the farm. You want to enjoy it really rugged. Nice. The natural sourness of this green tomato is what makes this chutney very special. Dear friends, keep cooking, enjoy great food and good life. The crunchiness, my goodness. I love a lot of chutney, so I just go a little bit low on salt and too good.